This is Asia's best golfing and leisure destination spread across 136 acres of lush green. Welcome to Oxford Golf Resort in Pune. So Pune is one of the only mega cities in India that is surrounded by hills. So where I'm heading today is Oxford Golf Resort, which is about 13 kilometers away from Pune at a place called Bavdan. Now it not only has a huge, or rather India's best golf course, but also a beautiful all-suite hotel where you can set your base. And as a part of Curly Tails Discovery, we'll be offering an exclusive stay offer for you guys, so keep watching. Voted as India's best golf and leisure destinations, Oxford Golf Resort is rated as the most prestigious golf courses in the country. It has an 18-hole private golf course, golf academy, an all-suite hotel, and leisure sports facility set amidst 136 acres of land. I love the rooms here. Well, so this is an all-suite hotel, which means all rooms here come with a living room as well as a bedroom. But the best part has to be the view of the golf course. With the Curly Tails exclusive offer, you can wake up to the view of lush greenery at the golf suite for just 6,200 rupees instead of 8,000 rupees. This price includes a stay and breakfast for two. Well, so this is the Hill Suite room. Now, most rooms at the residences are pretty much the same. The only difference between a golf suite and a Hill Suite is the view. Here, you feel much closer to all the greenery. A night at the Hill Suite can be enjoyed at a lesser price of Rs 5,500, and you can enjoy a savings of over 2,000 rupees. And in fact, also get a complimentary breakfast. This offer can be booked on curlytails.com. Wow, so this is the presidential suite at the Oxford Golf Resort. It's got a humongous living room, there's a sitting area, there's also a kitchen, and along with that, it's got two bedrooms. So while the living and the sitting area offers an uninterrupted view of the golf course, the rooms offer the view of the hill. Well, other than enjoying the view of the golf course or playing golf, there are tons of other activities that you can indulge in. So let's head to the clubhouse. The resort offers a separate building which is full of amenities, not just for the members but also for the guests staying here. There's a huge library that houses over 5,000 books, a billiards room attached to a lounge, indoor and outdoor kids play area, a gym, and a huge badminton court. Wow, they have a massive game room. So don't worry if you don't know how to play golf. You can always try your hand at table tennis or badminton. It's a perfect place to host corporate offsites or even weddings, as there are conference rooms, banquets and lawns to celebrate any special occasion. Whether you want to host a conference in the boardroom or a wedding reception at a hilltop lawn overlooking the entire valley, the Oxford Golf Resort has options galore for you if you're looking to celebrate a special occasion.
property is so huge that even half a day of exploration feels like quite a workout, and now I'm being treated to this delicious food at Malt Bar with that gorgeous view. Check it out.
The hotel offers many dining options, but my favorite would have to be this golf-facing restaurant, not just for its view, but also for its delectable food.
Are you thinking you need to know golf to enjoy your stay here? Well, yes and no. If you're a golfing enthusiast, you will love this place. If not, it's a great place to start learning. I belong to the second category, so I am at the driving range where I'm going to introduce myself to the game of golf and understand all the basics. My God, this place is so gorgeous. Avid golfers, you guys are lucky because you can get flexible memberships of up to 25 years at Oxford Golf Resort. Well, after being locked up in our homes for so long, we all deserve a bit of pampering. So whether you are a golfing enthusiast or not, the Oxford Golf Resort will leave no stone unturned to make you feel special. So make your bookings right away and let me know how your stay was. Thanks so much for watching my experience, and I hope to inspire you to travel, but with all the safety measures in place. Until then, it's me, Kamya Jani, signing off.